Welcome to Easynets. Today I'd like to show you how to put up one of our giant cloches. As you see, I've already done a bit of preparation work. What we've got here, we're approximately 3.5 metres long by roughly 4.5 foot wide. Slight tip is, when you're putting your end hoops in, if you just angle your rods into the ground slightly, you find it's beneficial later on. Join your rods together, form your 4 hoops. I've already stretched my net out in preparation. So basically, we're going to take one end and drape it over. What we found after listening to a lot of our customers, the clips we were using weren't very effective, so we now have a new clip which is more substantial and holds the net on better. So basically, drape your net, roughly form the tunnel, get it equal roughly either side down. When you're happy with the rough shape, take your clip, just clip down one end, slide it down. So come up to the opposite end, again, just roughly pull it, clip, slide it down. We'll do the same on the other side. Again, roughly pull it, fasten the clip, slide it down. Very roughly, just pull the net. Basically get the rough shape of the cloche. Let's put a bit of tension on the top one, pull the rod in, fasten in the clip. Now come to the opposite end, and do the same again. Fasten the clip on. Now we've got a rough shape of our cloche. We'll just do a slight bit of alterations, pull this a little bit tighter, pull it down, clip on, and we'll just work around and we'll clip the net to each rod. Stamp that one slightly. What we found with using the better design clip, you don't really need to peg it, but the choice is yours. I prefer just to bank it up with a bit of mud. The netting's high density polyethylene netting. It won't rot, you can bury it into the ground if you want, and you're fine. It'll just feel perfect for it. Right, we've got a rough shape. Now we'll come to sorting the ends out. You can do one or two things on the ends. You can gather up the excess net and peg. Alternatively, you can just spread it out and wrap it around the ends. The choice is yours. As you can see, this would have been a 3 metre cloche, but like all the cloches we supply, you have the extra netting to go that little bit further if required. You just put the odd clip on the top, hold it in place, alter this clip again. One thing I would like to say, if you have purchased the green clips off us and you find out they're coming off the rods, if you'd like to drop us a email or give us a phone call, we'll replace them free of charge. Again, just one end to sort out. Again, we can do what we did on the opposite end. We can gather up, peg down, or chuck around the edges. And there you have it. The silver cloche. The extra large cloche you put up in exactly the same fashion. The only difference is it's a straight 3 metre rod rather than a split rod. The other alternative you can do by purchasing extra rods is to clip cross members on the top and form a complete frame. Right, for access into the cloches for when you're weeding and picking your plants, etc., simply slide the net right on the clips like this, all the way. Once you've finished your weeding, etc., slide it back down.